Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, it is our second class quadratic equation part second. In this we will discuss question number 2 of exercise 4.1, which is represent the problem situation in the form of quadratic equation. First part, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and the breadth of the plot. Here we see the area of the plot A is 528 meters square, where length of the plot is given as 2 times of breadth plus 1, twice of the breadth plus 1. And what is the breadth of the plot? It is unknown, so let us assume let the breadth of the plot is x. Let the breadth of plot is x. So therefore area would be equal to length into breadth, which we know, and which implies that area is 528 and length would become 2 times of x plus 1 into breadth, which is x. Okay, which implies that 528 is equal to 2x into x, 2x square plus x into 1 x, which implies that 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So this is the representation of this problem situation in the form of quadratic equation. This equation is similar to the standard equation like ax square plus bx plus minus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now we will solve this quadratic equation so that we get length and breadth of the given plot. What is the quadratic equation which we obtain? It is 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. In order to solve this equation for x, we have different methods like factorization method by completing the square and by using quadratic formula. Another method is graphing method, but we will solve this equation by means of factorization method. And what is factorization method? In factorization method, we will split this middle term x in such a manner that if we add or subtract the two terms which we obtained by splitting this middle term, the product must be equal to the product of first and last term. And if we add or subtract these two parts, we get the middle term. So let us see what is the product of first and last term. It is 528 into 2x square, which is equal to 1056 x square. Let us see what are the factors of 1056. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 33 is 66. In this manner we see 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. We get two terms here, 32 and 33. If we will multiply this 32 with 33, we get 1056. And if we subtract 32 from 33, we get 1. So our equation would be like that: 2x square plus 33x minus 32x minus 528. So we shall see here what is the common in these two terms and in these terms. In the first two terms we see x is common in both the terms, so it would become x, we will take x as common, there will remain 2x plus 33 minus, we will take 16 as common and there remains x minus plus x plus 33, that would be equal to 0, which implies that x minus 16, and here again we see 2x plus 33, it is common, it is in both the terms, so we will take it as common. It would be x minus 16 into 2x plus 33 is equal to 0, which implies that x minus 16 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 13 is equal to 0, which implies that x is equal to 16 and here x would be equal to minus 33 by 2. Since breadth can't be negative, so therefore the breadth of the plot is 16 meter and the length of the similar plot would be 2 into x, mean 2 into 16 plus 1, that is equal to 2 16 32 plus 1 33 meter respectively answer.